Most people see a pile of sticks. I see a gate. A gate which will keep rabbits away, welcomes friends in, and will make my garden entrance into something a bit magical. This project is going to be a total surprise for my husband. He has no idea what's waiting for him in the garden. So let's see his face when he comes back in the evening from work. We have two entrances into the backyard. One has a gate and it's all secure against the rabbit, raccoons, and I'm sure they're climbing over, but the most important here is rabbit invasion of my backyard. So this other gateway is the only open way into the garden for all the rabbits. And I'm hoping that with the help of this gate, I'm going to secure my backyard and we won't have any issues of plants suddenly disappearing overnight. For this job, I would need the hardware, and I went with the old-fashioned way of closure, the hook and the eye. I have these T hinges, and I'm not sure about the color. Probably I will spray it in gray color to match the color of the sticks. We will see. I would need all sorts of screws, my measuring tape, my drill, and my saw. I like this interesting thing. Look at this. This can be a handle for the gate. And I'm sure which one, this one or this one. We will see. So I will cut all this and we'll leave just one, and then this can be a natural opening for the gate. Look at this. I just found from the storage under my holly tree, I found this very interesting branch, and this one I had it here, so I think I can combine them in some sort of a design to keep the top, to make a top on my gate. I just have to cut it well. I think it will work. Let's see how this gate will go here. So I was thinking that the gate should open this way, like this. It does look good. I'm afraid that this wood is not 100% cured, so it will try to twist. What do you think? I don't know. Well, we will see. You see these branches, they were fresh. You see how they sagged drastically. So now I have to fill it up with extra wood here. Well, I'm going to install it and see how it goes. to gate, from me to you. Subscribe and see what else I do. Ta-da-da! My gate is ready. And I don't think that Mother Rabbit would be able to go through these little spaces between the twigs at the bottom. So hopefully this year, my garden, no, next year, my garden will be rabbit-proof and I wouldn't suffer from all the damage. Now I'm going to put this on the hinges and see how it functions in the garden. And then there's the fun part, to see the reaction of my husband and to decorate this. Ta-da-da! I can't believe I did it. Oh my gosh, it does look good. Although I do not like how all these white cuts look, so I'm going to paint them with my usual gray sea stain, wood stain, and I will install the hook here for my gate to close well. When I looked at my gate and I saw how beautiful it is, especially those natural formations of the top, I decided not to decorate it. Decorations take away from the beauty of natural branches. So there were two verbenas growing on both sides, one in the hanging basket and another on the basket on the wall. So verbena didn't like the shade there. I replanted the basket of the wall with begonias, which are doing great there. I'm going to show you. And this hanging basket, finally I kicked out that leggy verbena and I planted some lovely white flowers here. I think will give us a little bit of a show still for several weeks, although it's getting colder. So let's put it there, this little happy lady. And we'll make that corner a little bit brighter. Welcome to my garden. Look at this gate. I love it. I think it's a successful project. One, rabbits are not going to go through this natural barrier here at the bottom. Two, it looks nice and rustic. Three, it has beautiful white flowers. This is the north corner of my house, so white, I like white color generally in the garden. So here in this hanging basket we have begonias. I planted verbena here, and it is usually very shady here, so verbena didn't like it. And on its other side, also a nice little presence in the garden. Now, what about the handle? Which one are we going to keep? I'm going to let my husband decide. I'm going to watch him. When he comes back from work, I'm going to ask him, okay, can you please open the gate? And let's see which handle he's going to touch first. Or maybe I will leave just 2 of them? I don't know. We will see. Hi, Mr. Carmody.
Wow.
How are you?
Very nice.
Who is this? That is Gloria. Hi, Gloria. So what do you think?
I love it. I love it.
No, you have to open it.
I know. I'm going to check it out. Oh, I like the latch. I like this. This is the best.
And look, it opens wide.
How did you get it all in? You got it. Look
I
at you.
did. I did.
I love it.
Now open it up, go around
This is
again,
nice.
and
Latch,
use.
This is the best latch, I think.
It's a good one,
It's
right?
old-fashioned, but it works and it's easier, I think.
Yeah. Now tell. How about you pull the gate by the handle? Which one are you going to use?
Well, I sort of might go like this. I don't know if I would do this. Let's see.
So you don't need that all together?
Huh?
You don't need this all together?
Some people might.
So just leave it?
Let's see. If I do this.
Because the hand stretch is there, right?
Yeah.
So you really don't need this. Should I cut it off?
You don't want to put a metal piece here. No, it wouldn't look
No, no.
good. Cut it off. How would it look? It would look like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Now, what happens when it starts to decay? How will you compensate?
Oh, probably, you know what I will do? I probably will cover the whole all wood with some sort of a wood protective cover for it to last a little bit longer.
It looks great.
What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, this is good.
It's very good.
That was a nice project. I liked it. Here is another video which I did, how I built this beautiful arch, the side entrance into my backyard. So, my dear gardeners, I will see you in our next video. Happy gardening!